Hi students, I'd like to show you how to utilize the screen recording capability of your Chromebook. Chromebooks up until now have not had this capability, but in order to access that, you're going to need to be updated to Chrome 90. In order to do that, you'll just click on your time right down here, click on the gear, and then you'll also want to click on Chrome OS here. Mine is on Chrome 89. However, I have a beta version enabled, which allows me to get to this setting that was experimental in Chrome 89. But if you will just go ahead and check for updates, you should be able to update to Chrome 90. So I'm going to exit here, and then I'm going to show you how to access this new utility for screen capture. So we'll click down here on the time, and then you'll notice here now that screen capture is enabled. When I click on the screen capture, I have the option to select a given area, or I can select right here which says click anywhere to record full screen, or I can just record the window that I'm in. So I have three choices here. The other thing that I'm going to need to do is that if you want to talk over your video, you're going to need to click on the little gear there and click on record microphone, make sure that's on. Once I do that, then I can go ahead and click on this button here in the middle, and that's going to allow me to record. The recording will be saved to your local files, and then you can move that into your Google Drive. So that's how we do that using the new built-in screen capture utility within Chrome. This is going to give you an unlimited amount of screen recording capability, unlike Screencastify, which only gives you 5 minutes. However, just keep in mind that it is going to be limited by the amount of storage space on your computer.